How to create a Facebook page for your business. This is what you will learn in this video. The video is short, quick, to the point, with no extra fluff, so I would highly recommend to watch till the end. So first of all, you need to log in into your Facebook account, and then towards the left hand side you will see different tabs. If you don't see pages, click on see more, and then you will see the page. Towards the right hand side you will see your already created pages, but since we want to create a new page, so we will come towards the left hand side where it is written create new page. Click on that. Here you have to give the name of your page. I'm just going to give it test page for the sake of this tutorial, and then you need to select the category. So you can just press the first alphabet and you will see most likely the category that you are looking for. So I'm going to select this men's clothes shop. Here you can add the bio. It is optional, you can add it later on. If you don't want to do it right now, just skip that. But if you're creating a business page, it is highly recommended that you write your bio here. And if you don't know what to write, I would recommend that you ask ChatGPT, give it some details about your page, and it will give you a good bio which you can just paste it here, and thus click create page. Since this page is for your business, then you must add a website here. I'm just going to add so I've just added website youtube.com, but of course you will add your own business website. Add your telephone number, email address, and then your business address, then town and postcode, and then you have to let people know that what are your hours, business hours. Are you open all the time, always open during the selected timing? So here you can give the timings for Monday, Tuesday, and so on. Since my business is online, so I'm just going to click always open, and then I'm going to click next. Okay, now is the time to add your profile picture and cover photo. You can easily create these in Canva, or you can ask anyone on Fiverr. They will create it for you for $5 or so. You can also add the action button, but if you don't know what it is, just leave it right now and click next. The next thing is that you can connect your WhatsApp number to your page. It is important because in this way you will allow the visitors on your page to send you the message directly on your WhatsApp number. But if you don't want to do it, just click skip. For a business page, I would highly recommend that you give some WhatsApp number here. And in the next step, it would recommend you to add friends later to help grow your page. Just click next. Here you can select the page notifications on your profile and whether you want to receive the marketing and promotional material about your page or not. So keep the notifications open. I would recommend not to click for this because it will clutter your email address, and just click done, and your Facebook page is created. You can take a tour, or you can just click not now, and here you can further customize. So if let's say if you have not added the profile picture, you can just click right now and select the profile picture. Similarly, you can also add a cover photo or change cover photo from here, and this is your page. It is ready. That's how you create the business page on Facebook.